Hi everybody, welcome to this new Salvadori Live. Today is a special edition. Why? Because we want to show you the extension of a collection which has become a cult in the filming industry, which is the Plexi. The Plexi, as some of you already know, the original Plexi, it's got like 4.5 centimeter wide wooden base, plus a 4 centimeter Plexi which you can frame the usual like paper, or in this case, because of the high plexi, you can also frame a canvas on top, based on top of the frame, like a floater. Now we introduced a smaller version of the plexi, what we call the plexi mini or mini plexi, where you have 2.5 centimeter frame and 1.5 centimeter plexi sitting on top. In this case, you can only use it as a normal frame. Why did we create this? We created this in order to make it also more versatile, where the bigger one is has more like a design accent. This one is a very tiny, elegant, but always different, distinctive look. 12 colors, 4 neon colors, red, orange, yellow, green, and 12 transparent colors. The beautiful thing about the Plexi is that if you look at it from the front, you see this very thin, tiny color line, which if you look at the neon colors, it looks like as if the frame has been highlighted from the back, when this color shines just by itself. Another beautiful thing about the Plexi is that the color, because the Plexi is so transparent, is not a solid color, but it's a much lighter look. So 4 base, gold, aluminum, matte white, matte black. And what we are going to show you today are several types of styles of pictures that we framed with the Plexi. Why did we do this? In order to make it, to show you how versatile and how easy to use is this collection. First of all, we show you two very graphic look images from the 60s, 70s. The one at the top, you see there is more of a lilac-y color in the middle. So we matched it with this gold base frame in order to make it look a little bit more kitschy, and this very thin purple Plexi. The one at the bottom being more graphic style, more lines. Also, the colors are more like vintage. This dark brown, this ivory. So what we did, we matched it with two tone-in-tone black color, the black base and the black smoky plexi, in order to, again, to make it more the design hint. Here at the bottom, we have two Californian style houses, and also the colors. The colors are pretty bright, and in this case, we matched it with both aluminum base, so that they match very well with these 70s colors. And in this case, we put a yellow plexi in order to highlight the yellow color at the back, but also to make it more colorful. This one on the left, again, aluminum base, and this blue plexi in order to match this light blue sky. You can see how the final look is very clean. The plexi gives this nice, clean look. The one at the top, two ones, more photographic look. The one on the right, more warmer colors. So we use the gold base with a smoky black plexi. The one on the left is more black and white picture. So we use a matte black base with, again, this smoky black Plexi. I mean, the entire look is very, from my point of view, is very cool. Here in the middle, we have, again, two more, a little bit more classic look images, not too classic, but more classic than the one that we saw before, where we use the black base in order to match the roof of the house, and then also this nice yellow Plexi. The one at the bottom, white base, purple Plexi in order to match the purple here inside, and also this nice light colors like this lime green. Here in the middle, something more classic. There are two images of Paris, one with the Eiffel Tower, one with a bistro. The one on the right, because inside there were some light blue colors, some more colder colors, colder tones. We matched them with this aluminum base and this beautiful neon green Plexi in order to match the yellow and the lime green inside the pictures. When this one on the right, being a little bit more classic because we can see a lot more brown, a lot more mustard yellow. So we matched it with the gold tone, and again, a little bit of this modern hint of touch of the green Plexi. The one underneath, below, there are two coastal sceneries, so beaches. In this case, we use for both the white frame, being beach, so more lighter colors. But the one on the right, we use this blue Plexi in order to match these sun umbrellas and being blue as well. And this one on the left, this light green in order to, it's like a seawater color in order to match the color of the water inside of this image. At the end, we find these two pictures for baby rooms, both of them with white, of course, with white base in order to be lighter, to be fresher. The one at the top, we use the purple Plexi in order to match all the purple that there is inside, but like in this case, we could have used the lime green Plexi, the neon Plexi, or even the blue Plexi in order to match that. And then this one at the bottom, being so colorful, again, we went for the neon green Plexi in order to give more of a to become more joyful, more fresher. So you can see that this is a collection you can use, very versatile. You can use it with a lot of different style of pictures. The mold is already in stock, so if you need any samples, please write to us. And you know, the only thing I can say is have fun with the Plexi collection and with the mini Plexi. Thank you. Bye-bye.